Welcome back, everybody. We are playing some more Blacksmith Wukong. In the last episode, we fought the first spider boss bitch. And it was terrible. I don't like spiders. So this is going to be a fun chapter. Fun chapter for me. Spiders are probably my least favorite thing in all of the world. Like, spiders are actually the worst. Personally, I don't like spiders. This is gonna attack me. I feel it. It's... Oh, okay. I felt wrong. God damn it. Ah, yes. A hole in the ground. Because I am supposed to be going in that. Look at all the spider webs. Oh! Personally think there is nothing worse in this world than walking through a spider web that you did not know was there. Ooh, maximum health. I haven't gotten one of these in a bit. Like, personally think there's nothing worse than walking through a spider web that you were not aware was there. But that's just my opinion. Alright. Down into the depths of hell with me. Oh! Okay! This is terrifying already. This is... Oh! Oh, okay. That's uncomfy. That's not cool. Oh. Go fuck yourself. Okay, why did I just wake up in a bed and not stuck to the ceiling? Hey, a chest. Look at that chest. Webbed hollow. I don't like it here. Look at this chest. Flick! Look at this chest. Flick! Kuo Jin Yin belt hook. Increases poison resistance. That's going to be very important for this chapter. I have a feeling poison resistance is going to be something that I should up. This area already makes the go away. Oh, I don't like it. We're going to travel to the Ryu Skull. Oh, I don't like any of what I just saw. Just, ow! Fuck. Oh, so, in other news, I got a tattoo yesterday. My very first tattoo. I've never been one to get nauseous from pain, but good goddamn, did it make me nauseous. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. 7-Eleven crackhead.
Refinement is the way to make golden pills.
Wait, what can I buy from you? Oh, I can buy something. Essence, upon use, considerably increases maximum mana. I will buy that. That seems relatively useful.
Were it not for you, brave one, I wouldn't pursue this profitless deal.
Alright, request medicine.
This is what my ceaseless toil finally yields.
What'd you give me? Body cooling tiger, subduing pellets. Alright, not bad. We're gonna go celestial medicine. We're going straight down to where is poison resistance. We're gonna make fucking 4 of these bad boys.
From yin and yang, 5 elements emerge. Each nature inherits its unique creation. Each form embodies a universe.
Because I have a feeling these spiders are gonna be fucking with me with venom. +8. Sweet, sweet. Alright, what do we got? Poison resistance is now at 16.
Each pill is a means to
Hey, you.
my destiny's course.
I can buy... Oh, I shall buy both of these. What is this? Pine Brew. Each sip recovers 35% when health. Uses the gourd, grants an amount of focus. Small for a brief moment after using the gourd, slowly recover a small amount of health. It's pretty good too. I'll buy that as well. What is this? Recovers considerable amount of health for nearby duplicates. Upon using the gourd. I don't use that ability much. What can I sell to you? I could sell this. I bought this from him. I don't know why I bought it from him if I just have to sell it again. Alright, let's see. What is this? Increases movement speed. This one, a moderate amount of mana. Whoa. Okay, what do we got? Moderate amount of mana. That's not as good as... Don't use that one. I'll chap that one in. What is this one? So the gourd increases damage resistance. Now provides considerable... That was the upgraded version of that one. Wait. What was this one again? Movement speed. This one has 3, but that's legendary. Oh, they're both legendary. Okay. Do I have enough shit to upgrade my gourd? I do not. I need one more. How about upgrade drinks? I need one of 2. I need one more.
Remember, young friend, a sip makes one tipsy, many sips
Makes you hammered. Harvest
I've
ingredients.
spent my whole life in service. A monkey reaps what he... Perhaps it's for the best. Go ahead. I can't spend all day.
Alright, we're gonna go talk to this guy now. I'm gonna beat his ass. I got a better staff, I think. I don't remember if I upgraded my staff or not. I want to beat this guy.
Back so soon. Give it.
I got that. That's crafted. Which one am I using? Oh, the chitin staff. Chiton. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'll get a pound.
What do you have that I can buy from you, sir? Really? You ain't got shit. You are... Alright. I want to beat him. I want to beat him this time. Oh, shit!
Split the shrouded sky.
I can survive his attacks now! Oh, this is gonna fuck me up.
Down with might.
Woo! Alright. Oh, that's not cool. It's not cool. That was not cool at all, sir. I was not... shit! Oh shit, this is gonna kill me. Damn it! Damn it, I was so close! Oh!
The Zodiac deities never hold back.
Oh, fuck you, dude. I was so close. Are all my abilities back, though? Did I waste everything? Oh, I still got everything, though. Alright, we're gonna go back and fight him.
What rags and
Because I can beat him. That showed I can beat him. I just needed to level up again. No! Oh god, I didn't fucking see the follow-up. God damn it! Because I was so close the first time, I'm not gonna get close. Oh, this guy is... God damn it. Let's go. I'm gonna beat him this episode. This is what's happening. This is what's happening. I'm gonna get something from beating him. Something that's really good. So let's do this. Okay. All right, Chief. Oh, you knocked me out of my attack.
A dishonorable trick.
No, fuck you.
Down with might. Into the leaves.
God damn it, I'm not...
Split the shrouded sky.
I'm not dodging at the right times. Come on, heal! Motherfucker, heal! Your bullshit wind attack is stupid, sir! Damn it! Damn it, sir! Damn it! Woo! Your bullshit is unappreciated, and you're making me sweat, sir. I just have to beat him. That's all it is.
Armor and arms.
I wouldn't even have... If I had... I'm so happy I didn't miss this guy. Ah, god damn it. Come on, heal! I'm not dodging at the right time. Woo!
Take this. The Gale shall see.
No! I healed! I hit the fucking button! God damn it! Whew.
Zodiac deities never hold back.
It's not registering when I hit fucking R. I hit R. I hit the heal button and it's not registering my heals. It's not... I don't know why it's not registering. It's kind of pissing me off. Just kind of pissing me off. Just a little bit.
Split the shrouded sky.
Oh! I hate your... That's such bullshit. He could just appear next to me. Fuck you, sir. I hate that attack. That's... What? Come on, heal. Come on. Come on, monkey! Monkey, dodge you!
shall see.
No, 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 no. Yes! Did I just beat him?
This crap is unfit for my skill.
Woo! Did I beat him?
Now,
Oh, shit.
I'll just forge another.
Oh, my God. I just got his weapon. How many times can... Ebb and flow. A black wind rises. Transform into the yin tiger to ward off incoming blows by holding the sword horizontally. Dash forward like a... Did I just... Can I challenge you again, sir?
What's fair to the eye?
Equip
may prove
more.
foul to handle.
Wait, can I equip more? Can I upgrade my curios? Ugh. Craft armor. Ironed helm. Oh, I can craft his... I can craft better armor, but this stuff is weaker than what I got. 32. 26. Yeah, this armor doesn't do as much. Gained by nick of time. Pawn successful. Yeah, no, that's not as great. Did it let... Oh, it gave me a third curio spot. So each time I beat him, I can get him another curio? Is that what I'm hearing? Is that what I'm understanding? Oh, and I got another character. Yin Tiger. Nice. Okay, well... Did I get the Yin Tiger? Is it a weapon? It's not a weapon. Is it the curio? Yeah, I'll deal with the... I'll go with that.
You lean on the thick skull.
Well, this motherfucker just beat you, so who has a thick skull now? Pussy? Not at all what I wanted to do. God damn it. Let me fucking... Spike staff. I need 2 more golden cores, which I feel like I'll get as I beat more bosses. But that's super useful for maximum mana. But I also... Oh! Using power attacks slightly recover lost health. That's rather useful as well. I wish I didn't upgrade this so much. But, whatever. We all make medicines. I don't have any withered worms, so I will go... Where's, Oh, I only have 1 monkey head fungus? That's unfortunate. I'll make that then. I'll make... Let's go... 9 of those. Slowly grants focus for a short duration. Increases critical hit chance. I'm never probably going to use any of these, but I have a bunch of shit to use. Oh, poison. This is the one that's going to be super useful. Alright, yeah. We'll go back to the webbed hollow. don't exactly know. Unless he gave me an ability. I have to check that, though. We're gonna check if he gave me an ability. Did he give me... Excuse me. Show me my spirit. What is happening here? Okay, I don't get to see spirit. God fucking damn it. Oh, there's a way up there, too. I didn't... We're gonna cultivate spirits. Falcon Hermit. Which one am I using? Which one? Ah, the Apamahabat. That freezes bitch is immediately. Like, that surprised me. He started getting frozen immediately. I was like... Oh, I don't want to do that. Set spells. Hoarfrost, Ebon... Oh, Ebb and Flow. I can turn into him now. That's... Jesus Christ. That's really... Maybe a bit... I don't like... I mean, I like freezing people, but... I don't know if I want to... I think I'm gonna keep the monkey for now. It's... Withering... Spell? Wait. Am I not using spells? Am I fucking... Have I not been using... This guy doesn't have any spells. That's why I haven't been using spells. Does he have a spell? Windwalker. Upon full focus during transformation, converts all focus into swiftness, which gradually decays. With swiftness activated, dodging transforms you into gust, allowing you to pass through enemies unimpeded. Oh, I'm learning things here. In full focus during transformation, chant the spell and raise the blade to summon a snowstorm and enter a cold-hearted state. In this state, all the blade slashes are empowered, and dodging transforming you into a cloud of mist, enabling agile retreats. I'm gonna fucking... I have to remember. One lets me use spells while in that form. I didn't know that. Learning things. But anyway, that's going to be the end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, drop a like, hit that sub button. You know what to do. It's all on you. Deuces, baby.